In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to connect Zapier with Instagram. So firstly, you want to click Create, New Zap. Now, you can do two things. You can have the trigger as Instagram or the action as Instagram. So if you want to, I'll show you. You can go Instagram. You can do Instagram for business as well. So choose events, new media posted in my account. So every time you post new media to your account, that's going to trigger this. So then the action, you could send that to your Discord. If you wanted to send a webhook to your Discord, you could do that here. So you could select Discord, event, send channel message. You would continue, connect your Discord, pick the channel message. So you'd be like, I've just posted a new thing, and then you can grab a link from this bit. Once you've signed in, there'll be like a link button. You can click that and it'll automatically send a link that you've posted a new Instagram. Now likewise, you can have the action as Instagram. So let's have an Instagram here. So there's requests you can do. There's different things you can do. So if you want to do a API request, you can do that. Let's say also you want to do Discord, so you could do new message posted to Discord, to the general chat, continue. Then you could take some data from this and do an API request or sign in. But yeah, basically you just have to fiddle around with it, and you have to know what you want to do. But once you do it, it's very easy to do. First one's the trigger, that triggers it to start. And the second one's action. That's what happens. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that helped. Thanks for watching.